Angles associated with parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines which are always the same distance apart and never meet. We know any 2 points on the line named this line, but a line may also be named by one smaller. Line M, line V. Line M is parallel to line V. A line that meets 2 or more parallel lines is called a transversal. In the figure, line T is a transversal cutting lines M and V. When 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal, 8 angles are formed. Certain pairs of angles are given specific names based upon their locations in relation to the lines. Let's study them now. The angles which are in the same relative position are called corresponding angles. They are on the same side of the transversal and the same side of the 2 straight lines, but not adjacent. Look at the figure. Angle A, angle B. They are corresponding angles. They are on the same side of the transversal and the same side of the 2 straight lines. Angle C and angle D are corresponding angles. Angle E and angle F are corresponding angles. Angle G and angle H are corresponding angles. Angles in corresponding positions are equal in size. A equals B, C equals D, E equals F, G equals H. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are on opposite sides of the transversal and between the 2 straight lines. Look at the figure. Angles G and B are alternate angles. They are on opposite sides of the transversal and between the 2 straight lines. Angles C and F are alternate angles. Look at the figure. A and B are corresponding angles, so they are equal. G and A are vertically opposite angles, so are equal. Therefore, G and B are equal as well. It's always true. Angles in alternate positions are equal in size. Angles G and C are angles on a line. Angles on a line always add up to 180 degrees. Angles G and C are supplementary angles. The same goes for angles F and B. Now it is our turn.